Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we have our subject here, Minnie, that she is a small to medium size cat, I want to say, and this pet stroller that this brand sent to the video, sent us for the video, is up to, I want to say, for small and medium sized cats, for example, and dogs, up to 50 pounds. I'm going to take Minnie out so you can see better. I'm going to show you all the features, but the bottom line is that this one rolls up like super nicely. Right here, you can see how smooth it is, basically because of the big wheels that you can see over there. By the way, that one, it's a lock, so you can actually lock it super easy and see that this thing won't move. So that is a super nice feature, as well as this super cool springs over here and over there as well for a super smooth and easy ride. Some of the features of this one's gonna be super cool. I'm gonna show them just in a few seconds, but the best thing about this one is that it's super breathable, as you can see over here. Mesh, more mesh with access. It has mesh over here as well for more access. Wait, as I was saying before, this small one, it's a small one right there for a drink or a bottle or a can or something like that. And also a pocket right there for your devices or your keys or wallet, and another right there if you want to take this one for like grocery shopping. Let's actually show you something right now before we take Minnie out. So one of the first things that I want to show you right here, you're going to find two buttons that you're going to push, and you're going to manage the handle over there and just put it in vertical position. And then once you did that, let me actually grab this one. Well, my wife actually do this on the sides. You're gonna find two more buttons that you're gonna just remove. And once you do that, grab this one, please. You can actually take this on the go if you need, which I think it's super cool to have. So you can actually take this one to the vet and just use this one as your carrier. That is fantastic. So the other features that I want to show you, by the way, everything comes explained right here in the instruction manual. It's super easy to read, but these are the things that I want to show you. Right here on the sides, you're gonna find this that you can actually push and move. So if you have an elderly person or a kid or something like that, you can actually use this one as well, and just make sure that it has the better angle for you to do it, or another person, like a taller person or something like that. Then let me actually take this one out of the way. And then you're gonna see right here, you can do a few things. For example, you can put this all the way to the back, and this one right here, it comes with a Velcro with a really nice pad that is also waterproof. So in case that, something happens or something like that, this one's gonna be super waterproof, and also with a really nice pad. So that is good to have. And also right here, let me show you, by the way, when you take this one out, you can put it this way or the other, because it works the same way right here. It has the same lock, so it opens up from that way as well. But if you want to do it from the middle, let me see what it is. You also right here have a zipper, so you can actually use this one that way as well. This is a super versatile, really complete, super smooth ride for your pets, small to medium sizes. I want to say up to 50 pounds, and for sure they're gonna have lots of space to enjoy a trip to the vet, to the grocery store. If you want to go out for a run or for a walk, you can actually go with them as well. So I do think that this one could be the good one. I like it. I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.